So again guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Workout by Wilson, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a highly nutritious fruit and vegetable smoothie. First we're going to start with the kale here. The kale is nutritious, one of the very nutritious vegetables, which includes fiber, I believe, that is good for digestion, and like I said, other nutritional value. We have blueberries here that are very high in vitamin C and are known as the one of the most antioxidant fruits, which helps to get rid of toxins in your body. And then we have strawberries, which also are antioxidants and have high vitamin C as well. We have a banana here that's good in potassium, and then we have mangoes that are good for eye health as well as an antioxidant as well. And then I have chia seeds, which are a good source of fiber as well and are very nutritious as well. And I don't have the almond milk, but I did already pour it in here, as you can tell. Almond milk has vitamin C as well, I believe, and magnesium and other nutrition. So first thing I did was pour a little bit of some chia seeds, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and add the almond milk as well in there. So now what I'm going to do is blend it. So next I'm going to add the kale here. So just have it go in here. So next, I'm going to add the blueberries. And as you guys can tell, I make sure to blend it every time I add something, just to make sure that it's smooth. And I'm doing the smoothie extract, so this blender has different options to pick from. I think milkshake cream is pretty good to pick from. Frozen drink or smoothie extract usually is what I pick. So next I add the strawberries, and I made sure to remove the little green leaves on top of them. So I mean, if you guys want to leave those on, I believe they probably have some nutrition. You can definitely do that. So as you guys look inside right now, it's a brownish, purplish color. Usually that's how a nutritious smoothie is supposed to look, so it's not gonna look tasty, but once you actually taste it, it's really good. I still have to add a mango, a banana. So now we're gonna add the mangoes here. Looks like it should be the last thing I have. I actually still have to add a banana, but that should be about it. So guys, just added the mangoes. The mangoes actually took a while to blend together. That was probably the hardest thing that had to get blended. So now I'm gonna add the banana. That should be the last thing I add. Usually I break it in half, but whatever, the whole thing can go in there. Okay guys, so that's how you make a smoothie. You can tell there's a little chunks left in there, but I think that should be pretty good. I'm gonna blend it maybe a little more and then pour it out, see how it tastes. So let's take a sip here and see how it tastes. Pretty good.